I'm Dany Spaggiari, scientist in the Translational Medicine department. I come from the most beautiful region in Switzerland with very nice palm trees, amazing lakes, very good food and excellent red wine. This region is called Ticino. So for Swiss German people, I like the fact they every time love spending their summer holidays in our beautiful Ticino. And for Swiss French, I love the fact that they are always ready for a cocktail after work. So compared to Swiss German people, first, I don't wear socks with sandals in the summer. And second, I don't drink cappuccino when I'm eating pasta. For Swiss French, from Swiss French, I don't put cream in the carbonara pasta. If you are in Ticino and you want to eat a good croissant with an excellent cappuccino, please ask for a kefir with your cappuccino.